Hi guys, subscribe and hit the bell button to get all the latest updates from Aglasem.
Hello guys, welcome to another session of aglasem.com. Today we will be discussing about CAT entrance examination. CAT. CAT is a common admission test. It is a computer-based entrance examination for the admission in various colleges of management, that is IIMs, and other business schools in India. The test is conducted every year by one of the best institute, that is IIM, based on the policy of rotation. Every year almost 2 lakh people attempt CAT exam. The exam date for the CAT 2018 has been announced officially. It will be held on November 25, 2018. Also, the notification will be released in the month of July and August 2018. You can start with your registration process from 8th August 2018. It has to be done by online mode only at iimcat.ac.in. Link will be given in the description box. Last date to submit the application form is 24th September 2018. Candidate can download their CAT 2018 admit card from 20th October 2018. CAT exam date is 25th November 2018. Declaration of CAT 2018 result is 10th Jan 2019. Each and every information is provided on aglasem.com. It has been observed that the application fees for CAT increase every year. In 2018, it has also been increased. Last year, it was 900 for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and PWD candidate and rupees 1800 for all other categories. The basic eligibility for the exam is graduation needed 50% for general, 45% for SC and ST students. Competitor appearing for the final year of bachelor degree can also apply. If selected, such applicant will be permitted to join the program temporarily only if she or he present a certificate from the institute, college or from the principal. There is no age restriction for the student who hold graduate degree. The exam pattern for CAT has not changed much since 2015. Duration for the exam is 3 hours in which you have to give 1 hour to each section. Marking scheme for the exam will be +3 for the correct marks, -1 for incorrect marks. It is a mixture of multiple choice as well as TITA questions. Let me tell you what is TITA. That is type in the answer. In TITA question there will be no negative marking for incorrect answer. So it will be good that you attempt each and every question. If in TITA section there will be 100 questions which will be divided into 3 parts. Quantitative ability having 34 questions, logical reasoning is having 32 questions, verbal ability or reading comprehension is 34 questions. Students are allowed to use basic on-screen calculator. Coming towards the scoring part, the CAT scorecard reflects 2 types of score, namely one is raw scoring, another is percentile scoring. Now coming to the preparation. Preparation tips for VA or RC. Read a lot of books, magazine, newspaper like Hindu, Economic Times, Financial Express, etc. Prepare from the mock test and sample paper. While maintaining the speed and accuracy, mark the difficult word and learn their meaning from the dictionary. Read at least 10 words daily. Underline and take a brief note as you read so that you can refer them at the last moment. Practice critical thinking questions. Improve grammar and vocabulary by reading editor section. Preparation tips for LR and DI. Read business newspaper and magazine. These are the best source to prepare for LR and DI. Practice 2 or 3 DI every day to get a grip on what are you saying or what are you scoring. Be familiar with the topics and the type of question to accept in this section. Always analyze your performance after a mock test and review to your performance after a genuine feedback. After you are done with your daily preparation, take out some time for some brainstorming sessions. Preparation tips for the quantitative section. The thumb rule for a great preparation is to focus and maximize your effort on your weak areas. It is always advisable to start your quant preparation with the basics. This can be a great help if your basic concepts are very clear. Divide your time and syllabus accordingly. You can give more time to your certain topics. This will be helpful. Learn the squares and cubes up to 25 as it is really helpful in minimizing your calculation. Get a hold on mathematic tables up to 20 to avoid calculation again. For the series related question, learn the formula of n as it will cover up to 50% of series problem. Finally, here are some preparation tips from the Aglasem team for all future managers. Rather than focusing on the topics, you need to focus and put more efforts on the topics which you are comfortable. Set a daily goal and work on them. You should look at the question from the previous year CATs and understand its syllabus. You should always start early in preparing for the exam, as early start would benefit you in gaining knowledge about the kind of question to be asked. Time management is essential ingredient to crack the CAT exam and make sure about your favorite college. Negative marking is a part of CAT, so you are advised not to take wild guesses and risky shortcuts in the exam paper. Never underestimate the mock test, guys. Do appear for mock test and attempt at least one mock test every day and analyze the result, focusing on the strong area and the weak area you need to work upon. If you are getting bored or if you are not interested to solve any question or you are getting irritating, don't avoid it. Take some time, relax and return back to that topic. Last but not the least, you are advised to keep calm and relax. Believe in yourself on the day of the paper. Take care of your result. Take healthy food, liquid intake for proper functioning of your brain. Be ready with all your stuff like admit card, pencil, pen, etc. in advance to avoid last minute hassle and give your best shot. That's all from Aglasem team. We will be right back with more videos. We hope you find this video helpful. Do hit the subscribe button. For more details, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.
Learn more and better with Aglasem.com.